Now, I've spoken a number of times about how convenient it is to have a good quality fridge and a good quality slide that gives you access to those fridges. What I haven't spoken so much about is how tough these fridges and these slides are. So normally a fridge like this and a slide like this will be in the back of a canopy or in the back of a vehicle, fully sealed from the dust and the elements and protected. In my case, it's on the back of my truck. Now, I do have cages over the fridges to protect them from the load that's bouncing around in the back of the truck, and I do have a spider tarp up there on top to give it some protection. But realistically, when it comes to dust, mud, rain, snow, sleet, the whole lot of abuse that this truck gets hammered through, these fridges and these slides have been functioning perfectly for a number of years now. I'm actually impressed how well they've lasted. So you just saw how easy it was for me to get access to the fridges using these slides. We don't recommend that you put your fridge and your slides through this sort of torture, but if you are going to, these have certainly done the job for us. So tough gear for tough outback touring. Get yourself a My Coolman fridge, get yourself a Clearview Easy Slide, and you're good to go. Delicious, nutritious, and healthy. The vegetarian's going to love it.